All right, I just wanted to go over 7.36. So they give you cosine to the 6th power. We want to use the identity cosine squared equals 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 2x. This is just kind of a side note, just so you guys are aware. Whenever you have cosine squared of 2x instead of cosine squared of x, this thing is called the double angle formula. Essentially, you're doubling the angle, but you're getting rid of the square. And so the idea is if you have 2x instead of x, you just double the angle. So it's just whenever you have cosine squared of, let's say, 10x, this would be 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 20x. It would be double whatever is inside of here. So you take cosine to the 6th, it's the same as cosine squared to the 3rd, and so you can take cosine squared, which is this original identity, and say that to the 3rd, and so that to the 3rd means this to the 3rd, which is 1/8, and this to the 3rd is just that multiplied 3 times, and so I squared these two, I multiplied these two together to get this. So you can already see there's this cosine squared of 2x, so I need to replace it with this 1/2 plus cosine 4x. So I do replace that, and then you need to distribute the half, and you get 1/2. But then you have a constant here, and a constant here, so you add those together, you get 3/2. And then there's nothing else you can combine, so now you then distribute this 1 plus cosine 2x to everything. You then get this expression all to its the exact same thing because you multiply it by 1, and then you get everything times cosine 2x, which is all this stuff. But now you have cosine 2x times 3/2, so you already have a cosine 2x over here, so now you have 3/2 plus 2, that ends up being 7/2. You have cosine 2x times cosine 2x of 2, that's going to be cosine squared. That's that. And then we have 1/2 cosine 4x, and we just end up getting that times cosine 2x. And there's nothing else we can do about this. This is the simplified form. It's not going to move at all. So the other thing we need to then change then is this new cosine squared of 2x, which I set up here we can replace, and so we do replace it with 1/2, but the 1/2 and the 2 actually cancel, so it just becomes the 1 plus cosine 4x. And then we can add the 1 to the constant, so we end up getting 2/2 plus 3/2, which is 5/2. And then we have another one of these 4/4, or 4x, cosine 4x, so we add it to this and we get 3/2. So that's what this is up here. But now we have a half in every single term, so we factor out the half, and we now have this as our final answer. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions.